What is up, guys? For today's video, we are going to be painting the entire chassis. I'm super excited for today's video. I've just wheeled it out to the street. Let's get our masking tape and our bags out, and we're going to see if we can't mask up what we need to, everything that's going to be black on the chassis. So we've just masked everything off finally. Check out all this. Everything is good. We want these poles to be blue. This is all going to be black, blue, black. Everything bagged is going to be black. Everything looks really good. So next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna start applying our paint. We have all of our cans. We have way too many. So we're just gonna spray away and see what we can't get done. Okay, so just thinking about some things. I wanted to start clear coating the whole frame over there, but what I ended up figuring out is I need to epoxy paint the front end and the back end. So in order to put the back end, I need to separate the chassis again. So if I scratch it by any off chance, I want to make sure that I'm able to touch it up without having a clear coat to go through in order to paint on top of it. So what that means, I'm going to clean up the rear end, paint it, put it in there, and then just clear coat everything at the exact same time, and that should save us a lot of time. Okay, we've been grinding for a while. Now just take some more Pyrol and wipe it all down. Okay, we have finished welding everything on. Pyrol, welded it off. Look at that, that was so clean. I think that's a really solid weld. There's nothing that's gonna pull that off. The car's gonna come apart before that comes off, so the seatbelts are definitely safe. Next thing to do, let's epoxy paint it and get it going. That looks really good. Look at that. That black is gonna contrast that so nicely. Super stoked on that. So this is a nice epoxy paint. So next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo the front of that, maybe tape up the other paint and see if we can't get to the other stuff. This should be dry. Yeah, this is really nice. Came out really well. I don't think I really could have done better. The only thing I'm thinking about is maybe tilting it up to make sure I can get underneath. But next thing we need to do is just pull it apart, and everything that's bagged up needs to be painted black. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one, and with nothing else to say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.